G'day guys, Rob Hamilton here from Moto Feelz, and today we're going to take a look at the new Insta360 X4 BMW Motorrad Edition, along with what's in the box and the cool new features it has to offer. Insta360 has teamed up with BMW Motorrad as their official action camera partner for 2024 and 2025, supporting BMW's flagship GS Trophy event in Namibia this year, and is the official action camera partner of the BMW Rocket Racing Team. To mark this partnership, Insta360 has released a new Insta360 X4 BMW Motorrad Edition, the first co-branded camera tailored for motorcycle and BMW enthusiasts alike. In the box you receive the Insta360 X4 BMW Motorrad Edition and protective pouch, each with the unique BMW Motorrad branding, standard lens guards, the Type-C to Type-C cable, lens cloth, quick start guide, and warranty card and stickers. Insta360 added a sleek new custom exit screen just for their X4 BMW Motorrad Edition. So now when you turn it off, you'll see premium co-branding. The new X4 also has Dashcam Mode. In Dashcam Mode, the X4 automatically overwrites oldest files with a set storage size. Set a fixed loop storage space, and the newest footage will overwrite old ones. Hook it up to your power supply on your motorbike. When you turn the ignition on, the X4 will automatically power up and start recording. So rest assured, you are not going to overwrite your previous data of your motorcycle ride that you just took with your friends. It's just going to keep on looping that section over, overwriting itself, and you've got Dashcam Mode all the time. Track your safety by using the Insta360 app. You can add timestamps to your video, which helps to reflect the exact time of footage shot when needed. Just in case you get in a bingle and you want to go and see that footage back, you've got timestamps there. You can see exactly what happened at what time. Very handy stuff. There's now a BMW Motorrad themed dashboard, which is a salute to the BMW GS series. Use Insta360 GPS action remote or third-party devices like Apple Watch and Garmin to collect statistics such as speed, elevation, and direction. You can add stats from your phone directly to your videos using the Insta360 app. There's no extra equipment required. Effortlessly includes speed, distance, altitude, acceleration, and more for data-packed videos. The app keeps recording the data in the background, even if you navigate away. To use this feature, go to the Insta360 app settings page, tap activity stats, and start tracking your activity before or during the recording. The app can detect sync data and add it to the video in the edit. By the way, all these features are now included in every X4, so even if you don't have the BMW Motorrad Edition, you can still use all these features I just mentioned. Enjoy the cool new Insta360 X4 BMW Motorrad Edition. I'll see you guys in the next one.